The iPhone XR is not the newest upgrade from iOS, but it does the job better than the rest. For a very low cost, you get a large, bright display, excellent cameras, quick and fast-paced performance and scrolling, excellent battery life.
Hello everyone, since you clicked on this video today, there's a high chance that you're in need of a new iPhone, and that's what I'm here today to provide you with. My name is Thomas Gantalis, and this is the iPhone XR. The iPhone XR is currently at the low cost of $200 average, and it's getting cheaper and cheaper every year. A great device for low budget. It has been out since 2018 and is still extremely relevant. It is trendy, it loads very fast, and is very, very much damage resistant. Alright guys, no more talking, let's hop in the box.
After unboxing the product, it honestly looks amazing. This is the side buttons, cameras, and power switch, and of course the charging port.
The iPhone XR has everything you need for a very low cost. I personally have had it for 4 years and seriously can't remember a time where I had trouble with it. The iPhone XR is the iPhone you need. Thank you for watching.